Hi, this is Noah, screenprintexchange. So I blew the fuses on this Makita 4 amp hour 18 volt lithium ion battery. I did a continuity test to check if the fuses were bad. And the fuses are these two white cubes and they're both 50 amps. So I was experimenting with something and it was and I blew them. So, you know, these are expensive. So I went to digikey, typed in H50 and bought a few of these and removed them and put them back on. This is surface mount, so it's a little bit harder to do. You have to use a lot of flux. I didn't do a video of it because it was the first time I really did a surface mount circuit board resolder job. And you can see it's a little crooked, but it does work and it does charge. So if your battery stops working, do a continuity check here. And you need to be safe on doing this because Makita doesn't really want you to work on these at all because they're worried about fire damage and everything. So you do this at your own will. And but this is typically what blows on these. So I hope you already know how to do a continuity test because I did a video of that. So that's the replacement. I think these are like $5 or $6 each. So it was worth it for me. And Makita batteries last forever. So, and keep on watching. I have other videos and we go from there. Bye.